This is Brother Barnes, and I have an educator friend that wants to make tutorials. And so what I'm going to show you now is how to use 3D Paint along with Snagit, a screen capture tool, to create a tutorial. So I want you to click New. And I want to add text at the beginning. So I clicked text here, and I need to describe a text box. And let's make a tutorial. Okay, so I have the information that I want. Click outside the box to save that, because if you don't, it will create problems. Just trust me in that. Now, one of the other beautiful things that we want to do is click on brushes, and I've got it on marker, and let's create something with green. And there we go. That works. So we know we're good to go. Let's undo. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to click Snagit, and we're going to capture this screen that we want to do. By the way, I'm going to show you how to splice things together with Movie Maker to make a movie after this in another video. Let's make a tutorial, and let's record. You might need to go back in the video and look at my settings for Snagit. Go back and look at that. I don't really want to get into that right now. I do want to make a tutorial though. Let's make a tutorial. There we go. Let's stop it. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at what Snagit did with the recording. Video, and look at my settings for Snagit. Go back and look at that. I don't really want to get into that right now. I do want to make a tutorial though. Let's make a tutorial. There we go. One of the neat things a person can do with Snagit is do some editing. So if we move this back to the very first, and then we figure out where is actually not to the first. I do want to make... Okay, let's cut out this first part. I do want to make a... All right. I do want to make a tutorial. I do want to make... That's about right. Let's just make this a bit rugged. But let's cut that out. Let's try it again. I do want to make a tutorial though. Let's make a tutorial. There we go. Simply marvelous. The next thing that I want you to do is click on File. You're going to save this as an MP4 because that's what you can upload to YouTube. I'm not going to do that because it gets into all the files that I have and some privacy issues. But once you make your MP4 from this, then you've got a tutorial. And that is awesome.